Spiffy Decontaminator comes in a reusable storage box with 3 20-gram water-activated tablets, an aerator, a dispenser cup, and 2 microfiber towels. Decontaminator is safe for vehicle hard and soft surfaces and is EPA-approved to eradicate pathogens, including COVID-19, in hard-to-reach places and ventilation systems. Let's get started. First, set the AC system to high fan and recirculate. This will help the chlorine dioxide gas, a safe biocide, disperse throughout your vehicle. Then, turn the car off. Put the microfiber towels in the cup holders before placing the dispenser cup in one of them. The product needs 4 ounces of water for activation. Next, set up the aerator and place it near the center console. Then place the aerator tube into the top of the dispenser cup. Tear the foil pack, remove the tablet, and place it into the cup. Promptly turn on the aerator and quickly close the door, leaving it to run at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can open the door, turn the car on, shut the door quickly, and let the car run for another 10 minutes with the AC on. After that, turn off the aerator, open all the car doors, and turn off the car before letting the vehicle air out another 10 minutes. After you've let it air out, you can remove your equipment and dispose of the leftover water in your reclaim tank or down a household drain. With all the interior and exterior high-touch spots disinfected, along with the ventilation system, you can be confident your vehicle is both decontaminated and flawlessly sanitized.